To authorize Vend from your DSYNC dashboard, please follow these steps. Select Plus System. Click on Select from System Templates. From the drop-down list, select Vend. Select Add this system. Select Open System Settings. Enter the store address. Select Save. Click on Authorize Connection. This will lead to an automated Vend process. Log into Vend and follow the authorization steps. Allow DSYNC to access your Vend account. This will add Vend to your DSYNC dashboard. To confirm that your authorization is successful, please click on the Vend icon, then select Settings. Underneath the OAuth section, it should read Connection Authorized.